Why online selling is the future of businesses. In today's business world, data and customer are everything. Traditional selling gives us only limited visibility. We don't always know who our real customers are, but online selling changes everything. So, traditional selling challenge. Hey, difficult to track customer who buy your product, my product, male or female. No clear data about customer age, performance, or location. Hey, feedback is slow and limited. And marketing depends mostly on what? Hard to measure which product performs better. In traditional businesses, we often depend on shopkeeper or distributor. We don't easily see the customer reaction, know how our words break. But the power of online selling, hey, we know our customer, we real-time data on gender, age group, and purchase behavior. And easy to track which product sell best. Customer review help us understand what people love or what to improve. And every click and sale give us valuable insight. Hey, the notes. Online platform give us access to deep insight. With one dashboard, we can analyze exactly who is buying and why. So the customer review. Hey, the customer review is a pre-marketing. Hey, positive review increase our product trust. New customer rely on other feedback. Honest review help improve our product. Each satisfied buyer become your brand promoter. The speaker notes. When a customer writes the best product or share your experience, it builds strong trust and attract new buyer automatically. So growth and market decision. Online selling help you go faster and you can test product and it's just based on real data, not like a traditional. Easier to run is track result and improve performance. Make your businesses globally, not limited to one location. And also speaking, online selling needs smart growth. Smarter growth, you make decision based on real customer behavior.